When most people hear about Microsoft Office 365, they typically think that it's only hosted email. Office 365 has much more to offer than just hosted email. Once you're in the Office 365 space, you get access to many great services. Skype for Business. This is a great messaging tool. It helps keep your mobile workforce in contact with your organization. Here are some neat things you can do with it. Once you've signed in to your Skype for Business account, once you have your client contact window open, you can share your desktop so that they can see what you're seeing on your screen. You have to click the Share Content and share your desktop. As you can see, I'm currently sharing my desktop. It looks like Ryan has requested control to work on my computer. Click Yes to consent. And now the other person can control your computer. To stop sharing, go up to the notification bar and click Stop Sharing. For more information on how Revolution Group can solve your business problems through technology, such as implementing Office 365 for you and your business, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 614-212-1111 or visit our website at www.revolutiongroup.com. And make sure to keep checking our YouTube channel for more technology tips and tricks.